Okay, this is going to be, we got this thing in our, we've been getting in the car and it said low battery on the dashboard a couple of times. Then it said, when I went to the car, I couldn't unlock it. And then I had to really try it a lot and I got it to unlock. So I'm going to show you how to change the battery. This is the second time. This is a 2016 Prius. It's the second time I changed it. This was the battery I bought that came in the pack of batteries. It was a 2032. I believe it was the one that I used. Now, I'm going to try to leave the phone up here so I can do this. Now, if you look under here, there's a little lever right there. You pull that lever to the side, pull it, take out the key. This, well, not a key, but, you know, actually it is a key, but now, you could kind of put this in here and twist it a little bit, or you could kind of wedge it open. Not really getting that to open too good. There we go. See, you put it in there, give it a little turn. You don't want to break it. Gently lift it, gently. Okay, leave this side alone. The button side stays over there. Just leave it alone. This is the key side. Now let's flip it out. And there's your battery. And it is, in fact, a 2032. So I brought a screwdriver with me. This is probably not small enough to get it out of there, but it might. You know what? Anything will work. There it goes. 2032. Okay. And I'm going to put this one back in the same way. See how easy this is? Just goes right under those clips. Right under those clips. And you snap it in. Snap it in. Locked in place. 2032. 2032. And then we put this right back where it goes. And if you notice, it's got a keyway shape. See the shape? So it only goes in a certain way. Okay? You know what? This is out. It wouldn't be a bad idea for me to get a little alcohol and clean those, but I'm not going to. It's still working well, and it's easy enough to open. Then we close it. And you snap it closed. Put the key back in. And you are good to go. That's how easy it is to do. Now, this battery was a 2025. It looks the same. It really is so close, but it's a little bit bigger. Now, let's go see if this works. There's my doggy. He was barking like crazy before. Now, let's go see if this chirps up. Okay, we're trying it from inside the house. Now, before it didn't work at all. It worked. See it? Let's unlock it. Unlock, so the lights, lock. It worked. So there you have it. All right, people, do me a favor. Like, subscribe. My poor little guy's not feeling well today. Like, subscribe. You never know what you're going to get in my video. So that's the battery change. 2016 Prius remote.